Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix fail to send message on Snapchat. For example, if you try to send message on your Snapchat to someone on Snapchat, and if you see that message sent has been failed, then how you can fix that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply uh, make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds. And after that, you have to simply turn it off again. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings. So in settings, you have to go to general, and in general, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to restart your iPhone. And after restarting your iPhone, you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you have to simply go to settings again, and this time you have to go to general, and you have to click on iPhone storage, and you have to look for Snapchat app. And here you will find the option of offload the app. And after offloading the app, you will find the option of reinstall the app. So you have to reinstall the app, and after reinstalling the app, you have to go back, and this time you have to open the app store here. And in app store, you have to search for Snapchat app, and here you have to check whether it is showing any kind of update or not. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Snapchat app. And after updating the Snapchat app, what you have to do next is you have to check whether now your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and you have to look for help center, and you have to report this problem to Snapchat support team. And here you have to simply explain the problem to Snapchat team, that what is the problem with you and why your messages are not sending. So after that, you have to wait for some time so that your problem will be solved. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.